Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Welcome back. Brand new week. Stock market is open, but I know a lot of you want to talk about SAFEMOON, so I got a great video talking about the latest updates with SAFEMOON, the latest price action. There's been some news, some new exchanges as well. Yesterday on Sunday, April 25th, there was another live stream, an AMA from SAFEMOON. I posted on my channel. It's about 36 minutes long, so check that out if you haven't already. Some really great updates, some great information in that live stream. As well, this recent live stream is a lot more professional than the previous one. So just a quick reminder, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on those post notifications. Thanks a lot, guys. Alright guys, if we take a look at the charts, we can see that SAFEMOON is at 0.0000546. So SAFEMOON is down 9.2% within the last 24 hours. However, if we look at a longer duration, in the last 7 days, SAFEMOON is actually up 115%. The last 14 days, up over 560%. In the 30 days, almost 1,300% gains. So SAFEMOON is moving fast, price is jumping up quickly. There's a lot of hype on SAFEMOON. Now, hopefully things start to reverse because the last 24 hours were down 9%, especially Bitcoin. I was watching around yesterday, Sunday, around dinner time, around 6 p.m. Eastern time, and it took a huge dip, and that was the time to buy. So I was loading up. But as you can see this morning, it quickly did a reversal, and now it's uptrending, and Bitcoin is doing really, really well. So hopefully this goes on to the rest of the crypto market, and we see SAFEMOON start increasing. And as you can see on the chart, the fully diluted market cap is 3.4, almost 3.5 billion. Now, interesting that the volume in the last 24 hours is down about 45%. But this is normal because on the weekend, trading is a little lighter as the stock market is closed, so a lot of people are taking the time off. But crypto runs 24/7, so you always got to be eyeing these charts, guys, checking out the price because you never know when you're going to have a nice dip. So here's some interesting information. These are the top 10 coins that have been most mentioned on Twitter. And here we have SAFEMOON at number 2 with 221,200, just slightly behind Bitcoin. But what's really impressive that it's above Dogecoin, with Dogecoin being in third place. So you can really see how popular and how much hype is around SAFEMOON. It's even beating Dogecoin. Now currently SAFEMOON is listed on a number of exchanges: MXC, Hotbit, Let's Exchange, Gate.io, and Mandela should be announced any day now. We're just waiting on the confirmation. By now, SAFEMOON should be listed on the ZBG exchange. However, there were some issues over the weekend. It was supposed to already happen. Now, ZBG is one of the biggest exchanges, biggest crypto exchanges. As well, ZBG ranks number 3 on top cryptocurrency derivative exchanges. So number 3, that's really, really impressive. So this huge exchange is really going to help out SAFEMOON. Now, there isn't a latest update for ZBG. According to their Twitter, the last update is April 22nd, where they said it's coming. ZBG Exchange has been fully supporting the development of SAFEMOON, and they've reached a long-term and in-depth cooperation with SAFEMOON. However, we're just waiting on that official launch. Now, we know there were some issues over the weekend and the last week that they weren't able to launch in time because they did not realize how much trading could occur. So they have to upgrade their servers so they will be able to handle all the traffic they're going to get from SAFEMOON investors and traders. So if you're not familiar with ZBG, ZBG was launched in July 2018. It's a Hong Kong-based cryptocurrency. It's a subsidiary of ZB.com. Now, ZBG Exchange is focused on providing a trading platform for new and innovative tokens. ZBG offers currency trading, so buy and sell services, for hundreds of crypto assets, with the goal of making users' investment choices more flexible. ZBG provides a cryptocurrency exchange, OTC, Launchpad, Rocket, and other services to global users. As well, they have an app for iPhone and Android devices. However, I know many of you are just waiting for SAFEMOON to be listed on Binance. Now, once SAFEMOON, or if SAFEMOON gets listed on Binance, you are going to see most likely a price surge because this will really give people confidence, really believing that it's no longer a scam. Now, there were tweets going back and forth between SAFEMOON and Binance has said if a coin has large numbers of users, we will list it. And they continue to say that if a coin is hot and popular and everybody's chasing it, the exchange will have no choice but to list it. So Binance is saying that they don't make these decisions. It's the users who decide which coins they list. So guys, it's up to us now to just keep purchasing more coins, getting the popularity, getting the message out there, building up this hype. So Binance will have no choice but to list SAFEMOON. Okay, so now we're going to talk about their live stream, their AMA that was held yesterday on Sunday, April 25th. We're going to go over all the important details. So of course, exchanges, there will be more exchanges in the near future. As we mentioned, hopefully it's going to be Binance. They mentioned the CertiK audit, which is going very well so far, and it's nearly done. So hopefully we get that confirmation soon. They've also launched a fundraiser for their own exchange, the SAFEMOON exchange. Now they've already raised over $882,000, with their goal being $1 million. They're also working on updating their website, so they did leak a screenshot to show what it will look like, so it looks a lot better, so I can't wait to see their new website launched. As well, 40% of the total amount of tokens has been burned in the last 50 days. 41%. Clarifying that nobody owns 50% of the SAFEMOON tokens, with the burn wallet burning around 1 to 2 trillion tokens a day. Now with updates on the actual SAFEMOON exchange, the architecture is almost complete, and the timeline they're stating is approximately 6 months, but they're thinking it's most likely going to be less. As well, SAFEMOON is growing, and they're actually going to be hiring quite a number of people, specifically in their marketing and development teams. In addition to the numerous exchanges, they are looking to be listed on CoinMarketCap. They mentioned they filled out the applications, they've been emailed, now they're just waiting on the response. Now something that's really important to SAFEMOON right now is integrating with the African market. They mentioned that discussions are being done right now. They can't go into much detail, but they will provide information in the near future. As well, they're working on having SAFEMOON listed on an Indian exchange, which they have stated it will happen soon. Something really exciting that they mentioned on the AMA in their live stream was Apollo 10, in which they said 10 people from their Discord, technical analysis, will be picked every week to join a private video chat with the CEO John to ask any questions more privately. So this is really cool, really showing that transparency with the company, with the brand, and the people behind it. Now, the huge thing they wanted to mention and they saved right for the end is Operation Phoenix. To go on ending the live stream with this quote, SAFEMOON will be the fuel for the freedom of the unbanked. Now, I found this Reddit post by Jeb2835 who explains that comment, freedom of the unbanked in Operation Phoenix, in greater detail. In the closing moments of the live AMA today with John and Jack, you heard John deliver an important message about Operation Phoenix. SAFEMOON will be the fuel behind the freedom of the unbanked. So this is huge, and he wants everyone to understand what this means. Freedom of the unbanked is a term used to describe economic freedom for those individuals throughout the world who have no connection to a formal financial institution, no bank account, no credit cards, no financial services beyond mere friends and family. So how big of an issue is this? According to different studies, more than 1/3 of the total world population. So how does this fit into SAFEMOON's mission? Most unbanked individuals are located in developing countries such as the Middle East, East Asia, and Sub-Saharan Africa. Developing countries like these suffer from a lack of banking infrastructure, a high cost of traditional financial services, lack of access to bank outlets, lack of personal identification, poverty, and frequent conflict in their area, which are all attributing factors to the lack of financial institutions within those economics. This lack of access can be detrimental to the livelihood of unbanked individuals throughout the world. Imagine no access to financial capital and what gaining the access would do to not only improve your own quality of life, but the quality of life of others in your area and the impact solving this issue can bring to the world. What's interesting about Africa is that despite the poorest inhabited content with this massive issue of unbanked people within their economy, they still bolster one of the fastest growing economic rates in the world. Imagine what the growth of that country could become with freedom of access to financial institutions. Families will be able to save, individuals will be able to start businesses, economies will grow, children will have further access to education and technology. This is something that could change the world, and SAFEMOON could be that catalyst. Cryptocurrencies do not follow the rigid structure of banks and allow for the lack of physical locations, simple worldwide transfers, and no need for identification or documentation, all qualities that provide freedom to the unbanked. All of us very well could be sitting on a cryptocurrency that would pull billions of people from poverty and improve their lives for the better. If anything, that should be enough to make you hold. So obviously these are not my words, but these are very, very powerful words, very powerful statements here. So this is really great for the currency, for the crypto world in general, as well as what it could do to help out Africa and countries in similar situations. Now, if we go to Reddit and check out the latest of whale watching, which we're on day 27, you can see total tokens burned, 206 billion, an increase of over 35,000 holders, and the price change in the last 24 hours is down 9%. As well, if we check some of the bigger whales, you can see that they've been selling billions of tokens. Lots of buying and selling between the whales, but nothing in the trillions, so not too much to really worry about yet. As well, you can see the top bag fillers. These people are picking up billions and billions of tokens, as well as we can look at the top bag dumpers and people selling billions and billions, but that's normal as people want to secure their profits. Alright, there you have it guys, a lot going on with SAFEMOON, and there'll be more and more updates as the day goes on. So as I hear more information, I will be posting more videos, giving you guys all the information as fast as possible so we can keep up to date with SAFEMOON. Now, if there's any other videos you want me to create guys, any stocks, any other cryptos, coins, tokens, you name it, let me know in the comments down below. Hit me up on Instagram. But as always guys, I'll see you in the next video.